Hello friends, this is Amishi Honavar here, and today I have brought you this lovely video about a wonder fruit called papaya. And why I'm going to say about papaya and what I'm going to say about papaya is also written in the description box below. So please go through it because I have written an extensive thing about what I am going to say about the benefits of papaya. Papaya is rich in vitamin C. Papaya is one of the best edibles out there to strengthen the immune system to fight against disease and infection. Friends, as you know, we are going through the COVID waves and it is better to boost up our immunity. Now, papaya contains more than 200% of your daily dose of vitamin C. Apart from this, the fruit is also rich in vitamins A, B, and K, which also boosts immunity. While papaya is good for digestion, it can also be one of the super fruits that give you a glowing, radiant skin. Not just the fruit, the seeds, leaves, and the roots of the papaya are also known to be beneficial. Well, friends, I would like to point out that there is one area or one section where certain people should not eat papaya, and that is the pregnant woman. If you eat excess, like that means too much of papaya, if it is taken by a pregnant woman, then it can cause abortions because it is very heaty. So, pregnant women are the only people who should avoid papaya. But at the same time, I would like to point out that if you have heart disease, then papaya is again one of the wonder fruits, and it helps you prevent heart disease because it has lycopene and vitamin C, and that is what can help prevent the heart disease. A number of studies have shown that papaya helps reduce inflammatory markers in the human body, which are considered to be the main cause of many diseases. It is also a storehouse of carotenoids that can reduce inflammation. As I mentioned earlier, papayas contain carotenoids that can neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in older adults. Oxidative stress can lead to chronic inflammation, which in turn harms the immune system. So, people with arthritis should definitely have papaya. Papaya aids digestion. The enzyme named papain, which is found in papaya, can help make protein easier to digest. Another important point about papaya that I would like to point out is that it can be eaten at night as it acts as a laxative and cleans the colon. However, fruits should be avoided 4 to 5 hours after meals. So, if you want to have papaya at night, plan your dinner accordingly. Yes, you can eat papaya at night as it helps correct constipation due to its rechna, that is laxative property. Well, papaya is also good for liver, just as papaya leaf juice acts as a potent cleansing agent for the liver, and it heals many chronic liver diseases, jaundice and liver cirrhosis. Uh, in India, at least I know that when we get dengue or we have malaria, then also we give papaya leaf juice to the patients, and it does help in healing. Well, for the skin, papaya is an excellent fruit with high concentrations of vitamin E, amino acids, and vitamin C. This unusual fruit is great for anti-aging. So, the ladies love this fruit as it can help prevent wrinkles, blemishes, and age spots as we age, as well as treat inflammation and irritation. As I told you before, papaya is a superfood to eat on an empty stomach due to its easy availability, and it is available around the year. Papaya can be easily included in your breakfast. The fruit will not only flush out toxins from the body but will also lower bad cholesterol and prevent heart diseases. I'm sure after you heard all these various benefits and why it is good as a superfood, I'm sure that you will make sure that you include it in your diet, and of course not in excess but in moderation. But every day I think one should have at least one medium size bowl of papaya. So friends, this is Amishi Honavar signing off, and I use it on my skin. I have it for my breakfast many a times, and I have seen the effects, so I can say it with surety that you will all benefit from this. Thank you for listening to me, and I'll get more healthy things for you in my next videos also. So kindly keep watching, like, subscribe for my channel. This is Amishi Honavar signing off. Goodbye.